Hi parents, Miss Woods here again. Here's another site that I do recommend for the students while they're at home. This is ABCya, or they say ABCya.com. So they'll type in the browser www.abcya. They'll click on third grade, click on numbers, and there are some really good games that really help drive their math and math facts. We have been working on place value, so they can do base 10 bingo, which is going to challenge them with numbers, or base 10 fun. They can do number values, comparing numbers greater than, less than, and equal to. The game that I really like to play, or the activity I like to do, is drop some. Drop some meaning an addition problem. This is about making 10, which is a foundational skill that will carry them through addition and subtraction. So the objective of the game, let me turn it down. The objective of the game is to make 10. And so I'm going to skip through the directions. The directions are there, and I'm kind of going to show you. Okay, so they use their arrow keys, and I always make mine go faster to get down. Now, 8 plus 2 is 10, and the objective is to keep these from stacking up and making a solid wall. So every time they make 10, the blocks break, and they're left with a clean. Now, when they have this coin, they can change this coin to anything using the arrow keys. And so you'll notice that my screen is clean. 6 and 4 make 10. So they really have to know the make 10, and this is helping them practice. 7 and 2 is 9, it's not 10. Now this little guy will make the wall, so you don't want to drop him on top of the wall. And you, of course, can go through the directions with your student. And I'm going to put this 1 on the 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And listen for math vocabulary when they're playing this. It helps if they talk it out. They can even write it down, what makes 10, until they really get to know what makes 10. And if you stack 1 on top and it doesn't make 10, it goes over 10, it forms a solid wall. And I'll show you that now. So let's see. That's a solid wall. Now I've just lost the game. So that is drop some. It's a very good game, and then they can always play it again. Let's go to another game or activity. I call them games, but another activity, base 10 bingo. Okay, tap on the place value you want to practice. You can select more than one. They need to practice all of those place values. Okay, we'll do a 3x3 grid. And now it says count the objects below. These would be thousands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,140. 5,140. And then they just click on it, and they try to count the base 10 blocks. 1,410. And they're trying to get bingo. So that game is pretty simple. So this is 8,610. 8,610. And we got bingo. Yay. What I would encourage you to do is have them with paper and pencil and to write the number that they come up with 4 additional ways, because that's what we're working on. And you'll notice that was the homework too. So that's a very good game for them to play. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I would recommend that they do that we've been working on in this. I'm going to send you another link for the Think Through Math. Now we are going to start rounding, but I will give you that during the week. where they can start learning how to round, and there's a really good rap vocabulary. But for right now, that's all. And again, this site is ABCya. Okay, thank you.